Second ranked match of the night. Oh yeah. Paper game. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose at post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, I want to see the deck list. See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link it to the frames. Round 1. Dude! Oh man. Do him, I can't do him. Do I just do this? I'll do it. Tough. I think I'll get Unit Zombie. I wanted to get Super Poly, but this is already here. Activate. Okay, I need to dump. What's it called in there? Bloom, effect, banish, add, but since I get the special. I really want to dump this in there, yeah. Increase its level. Dump. Oh man, I'm gonna use up all my hand right here. Yeah. Go for a sucker. And end my turn. He's gonna draw. I will just... No, I'll do that last. Stand by up. Doom King. Vampire Sucker, not activating Doom King or anything here. Draw a card, okay. Let's just... Oh, we're on YouTube. Oh, my voice chat was on too. So you probably heard some of my plays there. Fuck. Well, good thing I set my mirror force. The best thing he could do now is surrender. There is no hope. He will be banished to the Shadow Realm. He probably already muted me. Okay, so I got a Mirror Force, a Forbidden Droplet. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Oh, he's gonna do the scoop. You can't, you don't know what I'm playing. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just side in my Dragoon package here. A couple Dragoons. I'll put in some more mirror forces. And round 2. Dude. Well, lucky I sided in my my lightning storms. Let's duel. Flawless victory. Perfect. Woo. I was at 31 before, right? Yeah. 12:31, 12:51. I was at 11:11, 11:12. Oh my god, I keep going up by 1. That's crazy. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys. What's happening here?